Hey everyone, today I'm going to try and make some little meeple, donut meeple magnets, or indeed necklaces. Never done it before, so we're all learning together. I'm starting off with just some flesh coloured Sculpey. I found the biggest meeple that I could find. I didn't go through every game. I can't remember what game has the biggest ones, but this is from Tiny Epic Zombies. It's not perfect, but I've only just started using polymer clay, so just trying to smooth out the edges as much as I can. Remembering this is a first attempt, so it'll be messy. Okay, we've got a rough meeple shape. Just going to run one of these tools around the edge to give it that sort of more donut-y look. We've usually got the seam around the middle. Out come the pastels. We brush. This is where I find out if clay softener can be made into some kind of liquidy substance. I don't know what I'm doing. We're all learning together. Ew. Well, it's certainly soft and slimy. Just popping some icing on. People who use polymer clay are watching this and going, oh Jesus, what is she doing? I'm thinking liquid clay is probably going to be better than that, but I don't have any. That is just really oily stuff. This is where it all goes horribly wrong. Donut hole. Sprinkles. It's like working with atoms. Well, slight exaggeration. I'm sure the more you practice this, the easier it will become, and they'll all be the same size, but at the moment it is just laborious. Here's our first little donut meeple. I'm going to pop him in the oven, come back and give him a little bit of glaze. Here he is, fresh out the oven. Just going to do some glaze on this and call him done. Glaze is just this stuff here. As I say, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a total beginner. But glaze to me sounds like it'll dry glossy, so. We'll see how it turns out. Who knows? That's my little meeple donut. I did come up with this idea myself of turning meeples into different kinds of sweets. So if you use the idea, I really appreciate a shout out to my channel. I'm giving it a good go here, so that would be awesome. I know that's a big ask in this day and age that people give credit to the creator of something, but I will pop pictures up after this when he's dry to see what he looks like and try and imagine him as a little magnet or a brooch or something. I might make him into a little brooch. I don't know why I've given him a gender. It's a bit strange, isn't it? I hope you've enjoyed this little watch through. I'd call it a tutorial, but I think that would be pushing it ever so slightly, given I don't know what I'm doing. But if he turns out, I think he'll be adorable. Nerfenstein out.